ransack. To search a place very roughly and messily, especially by turning things upside down. Police ransacked the suspect's house for stolen goods. I ransacked my room, looking for my keys. Trespass. To enter someone's property, land, room, or area without permission. The guard warned us not to trespass again. I didn't mean to trespass. I thought this path was public. Pilfer. To steal small, low-value things, usually secretly and in small amounts. My brother used to pilfer coins from my purse. I think someone pilfered my notebook from my bag. Plunder. To steal or take valuable things from a place or people, usually during war, riot, or chaos. During the riot, shops were plundered by the mob. The museum was plundered during the war. They tried to plunder the bank, but failed. Fugitive. A person who is running away or hiding to avoid being caught, especially by the police. The police finally caught the fugitive after weeks of searching. The police are searching for the fugitive who escaped from prison last night. Filch. To steal something small or unimportant, usually in a secret or sneaky way. Someone filched my pen from my bag. He filched a few dollars from his mom's purse. Mug. To attack and rob a person in a public place, usually by using force or threatening violence. He was mugged on his way home last night. They tried to mug him, but he managed to escape. They mugged a man in broad daylight. Counterfeit. Something that is fake and made to look real, especially money, branded products, documents, or goods. They were caught printing counterfeit money. This watch looks real, but it is actually counterfeit. Kingpin. A kingpin is the most important or powerful person in a group, especially in illegal activities or organized crime. He was the kingpin behind the illegal business. The police finally arrested the kingpin of the drug cartel. Ransom. Money or payment that is demanded or paid to free a kidnapped person or recover a stolen item. The kidnappers demanded a huge ransom for the boy. They paid the ransom and got their child back. Felony. A serious crime, usually punishable by more than 1 year in prison, like murder, robbery, or kidnapping. It's a felony, not a minor crime. He spent 5 years in prison for that felony. Shoplifting. Stealing goods from a shop or store without paying for them. He got caught shoplifting at the grocery store. The security guard stopped a man from shoplifting. Pickpocket. To secretly steal, or a person who secretly steals, money or other items from someone's pocket or bag. I think my phone was pickpocketed on the train. Watch your wallet, there are a lot of pickpockets around here. Abduct. To take someone away by force or deception, usually illegally, it is similar to kidnap. A young girl was abducted on her way home. They abducted the famous singer during the concert. Execute. To kill someone officially, legal punishment. The prisoner will be executed next month. He was executed after being found guilty of murder. Stalk. To secretly follow or watch someone repeatedly. I am not stalking you, I just saw you here by chance. Someone has been stalking her online for weeks. Sentence. A sentence is the punishment given by a court to a person who has been found guilty of a crime. The judge will announce the sentence tomorrow. The judge gave him a 10-year prison sentence. Arson. The criminal act of deliberately setting fire to property, like a building, car, or land. The fire wasn't an accident, it looks like arson. Arson cases have increased in the city this year. Apprehend. To catch or arrest someone, especially a criminal. They apprehended the suspect near the market. The police team apprehended the gang leader. Embezzle. To secretly steal money that you are responsible for managing, especially from your employer, company, or organization. Someone embezzled money from the office. The bank employee embezzled client money for personal use.